Here's how you can delete your purchase history on the App Store. So what you want to do is just load up the App Store. And here we will click on our account in the top right corner. Now from here, what we can do is click on purchase history. This is one way of how we can do it. And where it says showing, we will click on, or actually in the middle, we'll click on change filters. So what you can do here is remove the paid filter and you can just leave it for free. So if somebody checks your purchase history here, they might not notice that it's only for free, and it's going to look like you haven't purchased anything. And another way of how we can do this is if we again click on our name, go to apps, and for example we want to hide specific apps, we will press and hold to the left, move it to the left, and you will see this option called hide. Once we click on hide, this is going to disappear. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.